Okay, this is how you work. See, you download the image. You come to this challenge here. You click on the challenge, click on here. When you click on here, it will take you to the challenge page. Okay, you can see it's at the challenge page. So you scroll down to where you have the high converting image. Click on it. So it will take you to the Google Drive. Now the file you are looking at is a WinRAR file. It's a RAR file. You can see it is a RAR file. To download it, you come to this place where you have download. Click on it. It will download. You see, it's downloading already. It's just 19.7 megabytes. Okay, I would have uploaded it on WhatsApp, but it will not upload on WhatsApp. So when you download it like this, you have to install WinRAR on your system before you can have access to what you have in this file. Okay, so you go to, once you download, it's downloading. As you can see, you see it's done. You can see just now it's done. Okay, so for me, I have the WinRAR installed on my laptop. Okay, so what you do is go to Google. Just type .rar. You see, WinRAR download free. You click on it. So from here, you download WinRAR. You download free WinRAR. Download free. So this is where you download free WinRAR. Once you download it, you'll be able to, you see it now. So you buy. By not buying, it's free that you will need. Download. So you click on download. Oh, I'm doing something. It's there. So this one is not free, so you can go to another section. You see the one for free. You see the free version. You can come down, need download WinRAR latest version. You can come here and download it. So you can download it. See, sorry, that one is even downloading already. You can see. So me, I have it installed. You have to install this WinRAR before you can access this the images. You can see. I'm trying to open it now. You see. You can see the folder. Click on the folder. You see. So these are all the images. Is in PNG. See, these are the images. So you can access all of them. Do you understand? So that's all. It's as simple as that. If you go to the next one, you can access everything. There are different sizes: 10 by 1080 by 1080, which is square, and I have 1200 by 628, which is horizontal. Okay, so that's all. It's as simple as that. Okay.